Hey there, everybody, and thank you so much for watching KXAN Live News Notes. I'm Will DuPree, coming to you from Austin on this beautiful Tuesday. And the big story of the day is that early voting is now underway here in Texas. As of this afternoon, more than 9,600 people have cast a ballot up in Williamson County. Meanwhile, here in Travis County, the clerk says that 14,000 people have voted so far among 40 polling locations. Those numbers are obviously set to change as the day goes on, since polls are open until 7 o'clock tonight. Now, some of those spots here in Travis County saw long wait times because of technical issues. Most of those have now been worked out. You can track wait times online right now. We do have a link to this map that you see right here over on our website, KXAN.com. Now, one of the polling locations that had a long wait time was the South Austin Rec Center. A technician did fix the problem that caused it, but not before voters waited more than an hour to cast their ballots. We did talk to the first man in line, who showed up this morning at about 5 o'clock.
I think a lot of people, considering what's on the line, people are pretty understanding. I didn't hear anybody getting really upset about anything. They just want to vote and get on with their day.
In other news, the Travis County Commissioners Court will meet today, and a big question is whether Judge Sam Biscoe will allow bars to reopen tomorrow. Now, last night, the Llano County judge became the latest to officially sign off on reopening bars tomorrow. County judges can reopen bars if COVID-19 hospitalizations are less than 15% of hospital capacity in that county. If judges opt in, there are rules, including a 50% capacity limit and no open dance floors. Governor Greg Abbott is sending more state coronavirus resources to El Paso. Yesterday, he announced that that city is seeing a spike in hospital cases lately, although it's less than the peak in late July. Additional staff includes 75 medical personnel on top of the 169 already there. Statewide, hospitalizations are up by almost 250 cases. We haven't had a daily increase that high since late July. More than 3,800 people with the coronavirus are in Texas hospitals at the moment. The state also reported more than 2,300 new infections yesterday. The 7-day average is almost 3,400 per day. That's the highest in about 3 weeks' time. Now, as the race toward a COVID-19 vaccine continues, some businesses are expanding their operations. Gyms and fitness centers can increase capacity now, but guests are still supposed to wear a mask while exercising. Well, researchers are looking into this and trying to figure out whether face coverings are impacting workouts. A team of researchers at Baylor Scott & White tested 32 people while they exercised. The group measured oxygen levels, heart rates, and how hard it felt to breathe with and without a mask. The researchers say they hope their data will influence everyday exercise and athletes' training at all levels.
From a training standpoint, from an intensity standpoint, from a dosage standpoint, are we able to push them in the same way that we did pre-COVID with no masks, or do we need to modify how hard we're working, how many reps they do, the intensity that they work out, the length of our training sessions? Is that going to impact their performance and their health and safety?
The researchers hope to publish their findings within the next month. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching KXAN Live News Notes. I'm Will DuPree. Remember, get out there and vote. Early voting in Texas lasts until October 30th, so plenty of time to do so, and we'll see you back here another time.